Assalamu alaikum. Hello guys, I am in Marrakesh, Morocco, which is in the north of Africa, and I need a haircut. There's a barbershop right here. As you can tell, I haven't had a haircut in a while, and I've also not shaved. So I've got a guy in here who's going to do me a haircut for 120 dirhams, because he's letting me video as well, so I'll pay a bit more. But he's going to shave me as well. So this is the shop in here. Salam, salam, salam. Labas, labas.
Labas. Dima labas.
Blobbing me here, I think.
Attends. Je sors toi après.
What's he saying? Shukran, shukran. 120, brother, yeah? Shukran bazaf. What's your name, brother? You might be able to understand him, guys. I can't translate the Moroccan Arabic. What's he saying? All I know is labas.
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 Yeah.
Labas, hamdulillah.
Yeah.
Hamdulillah. Oh, français? Ah.
Un petit peu.
Espagnol? Poco? Oh, very small, okay. Very long, brother, isn't it? Very long.
Abdullah. Man, yes, we are.
A lot. Two. And then on here, zero and zero. Taper, yeah. Yeah. Wow.
Yeah.
Wow, shukran. Laughing at me, guys. What's your name, brother?
Iziki.
Yes.
Iziki. And you?
Max. Yeah, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. Nazi.
Do you support football? Football. Afcon.
Madrid.
Oh, Madrid. Mbappe. Wow. Bizarre. Don't understand him. Manchester. England. Manchester United. Yeah. Alhamdulillah. So if you're wondering, guys, 120 dirham, Moroccan dirham, is about 10 quid, I think, 10 British pounds. So usually back home I go Turkish barbers, now I'd be around like £14, so it's a pretty good deal. Hopefully he chucks me in a shave as well. In tomorrow's video I'm going to buy one of them Moroccan dresses, so make sure you stick around for that market stuff. Yeah, I'll do that tomorrow. How old are you? Age? 23. Ah, yeah. And how long have you been here for? Cutting hair? How long? How many years? 10 10.
10 years. Yes, yes.
20 years?
10 years old.
Oh, 10 years. Oh, wow, wow. Very good. Mashallah, yeah. Bit of a risk coming in here without knowing a bit of Arabic to tell him what I want, but hopefully the end result will be decent. Busy in here as well, it's packed as you can see. Just Donnie took me down a back alley. I was asking around for haircuts, so I followed this guy in here. He didn't ask for any money, but I was scared that he was gonna try and get some money out of me. And then we had to negotiate the price. It took a while. Oh, got a little clip in. So I've just got to Marrakesh as well, so I haven't made, this will be the first video that I put out. But I'm going to do quite a few here. What's that guy saying?
What?
Taper.
Yes.
Yeah.
Of course.
Laughing at me. Manchester. UK, yeah. Wow. Salam alaikum. Labas, hamdulillah. Manchester City.
Dima.
What's your name, brother? Adam.
Yes.
Ah, shukran. Adam. Is he your friend? Friend? Familia? Adam? Yeah. Brother? Familia.
Brother Adam.
Mustafa.
Adam.
Good name.
Do you like Morocco?
Oh, very good. Yes.
Don't like Morocco.
Oh, you don't like? Where are you from?
It's from Japanese.
You're Japanese?
No, this is not.
Ah, he's your friend.
Moi. Yeah.
Is he Moroccan? Are you Marrakesh? Ah, where?
Atlas Mountain.
Atlas Mountains. Ah, so he's not Japanese. I don't know why I said that. But...
Hi bro, how are you?
Hi brother, how are you? Alhamdulillah. Salam alaikum. Very welcoming in Morocco. They are nice people.
Welcome.
He welcomes us.
Welcome in now. That's a beauty. We. Like a brother.
Like a brother. Habibi.
Habibi, welcome to Morocco. Marrakesh. Welcome to
YouTuber bro.
YouTube, brother. YouTube. Yeah. Shukran bazaf. It's good. It's a good cut. Thanks, brother. We've got the top dog apparently then. Taking his time, which is good as well. Salam. Labas? Labas, hamdulillah. English, yeah.
Where are you from? England?
Manchester.
Manchester City.
Manchester United. United.
I'm Robert.
You?
No, Real Madrid.
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 Mbappe.
Madrid. No, Brian Diaz.
Diaz.
Yes.
Wow.
Welcome.
Thank you, brother. Alhamdulillah.
Marhaba.
Marhaban. I think that means maybe.
بتيري بتيري لا صاحبي ما أكيد يبدو بيع كويس يصير كمل أكيد غير قال الله ما كانت وشيات على حساب السعيد الناس ينزعوا فينا الناس هاكوليني بير برادر يا سلام
Looking good so far, guys.
مليون راهي 120 درهم
Hopefully he remembers to do me a shave as well, because I haven't brought my razor or nothing, so hopefully.
اجي تشوف فين حط عليا
Yeah.
مشى اشرف خالد هو بيتك ساكا
Don't know how much a cut is usually, so if you know that, drop it down in the comments. I paid 120 dirham there. Yeah, so that's about a tenner, I think. But that's for the shave as well, and then a bit more for the video. But
How
if
much
you know,
you pay in
drop
your
it.
country?
In my country,
Yeah.
150 dirham.
You want a haircut?
In UK, yeah.
UK?
UK, yeah.
I don't think so.
No, yeah. Turkish,
Turkish?
yeah.
Turkish.
Turkish barber. Just finished the cut now then. Looks great. One of the best ones I've ever had, I think. Yeah, wow. Looks perfect. Little taper job. Now he's gonna do me a shave, so we'll do the shave now. Chilly that gel.
شو هالسنغال فاش داو شوف فاش كانوا غاديين في الكاب شحال ديال البشره تابعوا لاصقين معركه
دابا هما ماشي تجيو عليه نحسن ليه
هيا اخويا
تيحاولوا يفرحوا الشعب باش يخبيو شي حاجات عندهم فهمتي زعما داكشي اللي ما عندهم ما يخبيو الصحه يخبيو داكشي هما طار منهم باقي عايشين هما الكواخ زعما زعما يديروا داكشي بحال الشيء
وي وي.
الحساب سايب
تقدر لحقاش يبقى
What did he say, guys? What did he say?
هابي
Happy. Happy, yeah.
حساب سايب
ولاش حنا وراهم 28
من تما
ومن تما غتبقى 4 سنين
4 سنين
ولكن حنا في 28 غادي نشدوك وحنا
راه هي بلاش دير
ما هادو ما عندهمش
ما عرفتش باقي بيشتو بهداكشي
بغا يشدوه
يتابع اخويا
باغي يشدوه طاو عليهم ماشي بغا يشدوه طاو عليهم انا بغا يدخل
Big boss.
ها لا عرفتي اش قالوا لي
قال لهم شوفوا بغيت نمشيو داكشي اللي بغينا نقول لكم حنا ما نقدروا
لا ما عرفتش اش دار معاهم بالك دابا تنفكروا الدول اللي بغيو يديروا لهم الفيزا
تبقوا سميتو ما عرفوش
هادو باقي تيناقشوها شكون هما الدول اللي بيديروا لهم فيزا
اصلا دايرين عليها
بيديروها عليهم هادوك راه هما اللي مانعين راسهم دابا الا دارت لهم هي الفيزا كنت ديك الساعه كان دابا الا دارت لهم فيزا
المغرب هي وقول
لا دابا اللي دارت لهم الفيزا دارت لهم فيزا واخا يمشي لتركيا الا ما عطاوش الفيزا وما يجيش لهنا
هادشي اللي بينا اخو حنايا
واخا ما عرف منين يجي
هذيك البوالات
واخا يجي من البحر هما بغيو يمنعوه واخا يشبيش
عاوتاني السد
الا داروا هذا
ولا
عادي يدخل الدوسي تاعك ويقراو عادي يشوف واش بيديروا معاه واش عطاوها لك ولا لا والمغرب ما دايرهاش معاه
هادشي داك ترامب والله الا عرف شي ولا عرف ولا في داك العام
لا واعر
Very good.
هو ما عندوش معاه الحق وديتو قلت
ما عندكش ما ما عندوش مع الحرب.
لا ما عندوش مع
وانا
الحرب.
بلا قال ما عندوش مع الحرب خاصني ندير تخرج.
ما عندوش مع الحرب.
اللي يقلع لي
ما
الكاع.
عندوش هو مصلحة في الحرب. هو تيبيع السلاح. خاصو يبيع السلاح هو.
بالعكس عاد تكون عندهم سلاح لقاش هو بيبيع السلاح.
دابا اللي ناض الحرب بيحبس هذاك الشيء. خصو يبيع ليك، انت مضاد مع هذا نبيع ليك نتايا ونبيع ليه هو، نعاود نبيع ليك انت ما احسن ونبيع ليه هو ما احسن من داكشي اللي بعت لك، تعاود تشري انت وبقاو هكا. اما الا نوضوها غتبقاو منوضينها وهو بيرجع للور ما بقاش يشوف على هذيك ديال ستينغي
كي داير بخير مزيان.
ما عنديش فيها ما غادي تصور فيها والو.
شحال باقي لك؟ شحال باقي لك كاين؟
انا قريب نسالي
نسيت ديجا عندي.
واخا عادي عرفتي عادي
هو دار لهم دابا دار لهم واحد هذا ديال السلام. لا
فينيش.
داروا واحد بحال شي واحد ميريكان ثاني تطلب الحرب. عنده هو شنو هو؟
لا مشى زعما مشى.
شنو هو؟ يمكن جاي من تما لهنا.
ديجا ناضت بدا تطلب البرازيل تبقى تشطح الفيديوهات يبان كاع المعلم تطلب عندك تفرقع.
لا دابا بحال هادشي
واش فهمتي؟
تيعرفوا المغرب اش واقع فيه. بحال هادشي ديال قيس افريقيا وهذا تيجي
واحد سنينه سنينه.
Very good, thank you brother.
هي مثلا اللي جاوا للمغرب
ان شاء الله لا درتي معايا.
Thank you, thank you.
تبغى كلشي يزيد مصريين
شكرا شكرا.
دوزنا فيها احسن حاجه.
Right, he's done a good job there. Very good,
Very good.
very good, very good.
Very nice.
Very nice, thank you.
tomorrow ان شاء الله tomorrow.
ولينا خايبين ولينا كسرة ما شفنا 50 سنة ولينا حنا هما 50 سنة ولكن هاجي نشوف يا شحال عندنا من الكاس؟ واحد اللي طيب حنا راه واحد اللي طيب حنا راه حنا الثامنين في العالم.
All done then guys, he's done a good job. Really good job. Thank you brother, thank you, thank you, thank you.
كبير
Shukran, shukran bazaf.
الله يسلم عليهم.
He's gonna put some stuff on now.
بتجي فين؟ عطانا برو.
Sting.
بسم الله. واحد. بينقم العذاب اصحابي العذاب.
Alcohol.
How do you feel?
Stingy. What's the Moroccan word for pain?
Pain.
Pain.
Aye.
Aye.
هاي
Nah, just a little bit stingy.
اي
Feels good though.
وي
All done. Thank you brother.
Oh my god
So guys, that was it. Cheers brother, this was the Donny, you've done it.
thank you
All done though, done a good job.
This is David Beckham now.
Yeah, thank you. Like, subscribe, and I'll be back here in the markets tomorrow getting some more
Nice
stuff.
hair.
Is it looking good brother?
Thank you.
Cheers brother, shukran.
I'm Diablo, Moroccan Diablo.
Jabal.
Diablo Morocco, yeah.
Is that your name?
Yeah, my name Khalid.
Khalid.
Khalid. Me everything writing mean Diablo.
Jabal.
Yeah,
Okay.
Diablo.
Jabal. See you in a bit
happy?
guys, see you in the next video.